guys, I have a thrift store find here. I paid $6 for this thread holder. Looks like the brand is Sulky.
Wow.
And it came with a bunch of thread, and I had bought a whole bunch of other thread. I paid, I think, $1 for all these beautiful colors. And now I'm going to organize them in my new thread holder. So we're going to start with red, and it doesn't look like I have any red in here, but I have some other colors. It looks like they're all stuck in here real good, so it's good that this is not the way I'm going to continue to store them. We do have two lovely shades of pink and mauve that will go with our reds. Here we go. Start with this one, this one. That one's orange, not red. Maroon. Christmas red. Mauve. Pink. Okay, pretty. Let's do orange. This one's a little bit mangled up, but we'll keep it. Orange. We have a couple of yellows. They're all very pretty. I like these wooden ones. It's probably pretty old. Fast to boiling, 15 cents. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's start with the brightest yellow. And this is perfect because we'll finish off the row with yellows. Put this guy at the bottom and the cute little one in the middle. Okay, that's our first row. Now we've got some greens. Ooh, a lot of greens. And a teal or two. Oh boy, how are we going to organize the greens? Let's start with the darkest, which is probably, those two look like the same. They're not. All right, somebody had too many greens. I don't need all these. What is going on? There's like two edges over here. Oh, this is very thick. Very thick. So let's do, now we go in this row. I wonder if I should skip a row. Nah. Okay, so we got our Christmas colors, red and green. More green. More green. Which one's next? I guess the shiny one. Green, green, green. Pretty nice. Two more greens. Let's do this one and that one. Perfect. A whole row of greens that I will probably not use. All right, so now, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. We got some blues, more blues. I guess these all have to come out. Start like this. And I have another navy one here. This was the spool that came with my machine. We'll call this Trusty Blue. It's a pretty good thread. Okay, start with that one. Here you go, Trusty. It's pretty easy to get these spools in and out of here, so that's good. There's some more blues. Oh, this one's pretty. It's like an aqua. This color is my favorite. And I feel like I should probably just, I don't know, I kind of just want to keep this white spool in my machine holder. Okay, more blue. Ew, this one's like dirty. Yuck. Oh. Doesn't smell, so that's good. Okay, let's do this one next. Oops. Oh, nobody poked through this guy ever. There you go. That one probably should have gone first. Very particular about my color coordinating and organizing. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. I forgot these guys. They're all kind of like greenish ones. Alright, everybody's gotta get bumped out. It's green. Bluish, greenish, bluish, greenish. Okay, now we're gonna do our blues. Our dark blues or our light blues? I think that kind of looks better. So we're gonna go light to dark for the blues instead of usually I go dark to light. Oh, that'll be good actually, because look, the blues end there, and then these are actually kind of like closer to purple. So that's Trusty Blue. Okay, purple. Oh, we have a pink. I probably should have gone over here. Oh well. So let's just do these from dark to light. This is a really pretty color. I like this one. Purple. This looks like really good thread. Malnick ink. Fresco, California. Oops. There we go. That wasn't worth it. Purple. Purple. This one's dirty too. Oh, it doesn't have any holes in it yet. White purple. This is like a lavender. It's pretty. Oh, this looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Very nice. Put them all down so you can see them good. Yes. I like it. finish up with our one pink and our neutrals. Let's start with the light colors, dark colors, browns. I kind of want to put a white right at the top. What if we put, these two are the same, I think. They don't both fit together. I wish they did. Gosh, why did I mess up that stupid pink? Oh well. I'm just gonna have to live with it, aren't we? Yeah, let's put the best white one up there, which is probably this one. White. Wow, that's thick thread. It's really thick. Okay. And then I guess we do silver. No, silver should go with black. There we go. Another wooden spool. Okay, and now we got 3 browns, and then we're done. Like this. Pretty. And then the last thing is our bobbins. I don't know if I can use metal ones on my machine. We're gonna put them here. Oh, they barely fit. Okay, bobbins. Hard to keep them neat. These guys fit my machine. And a white, a black, a brown, and an empty. So let's do this. I might put these in a little container. Yeah. Whoops. Sulky. Sulky. $6.
Subscribe for more disabled crafts.